Good morning students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Let's do an activity. Dog is standing here. It moves 5 steps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then turn right. Again it moves 5 steps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again turn right and moves 5 steps. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again turn right and moves 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now it reaches the initial point and it forms a closed figure. Students, find the total length travelled by dog. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We get 20. Now we get the total length of all the sides. We called it as perimeter. Today we are going to learn how do we find the perimeter of rectangle and square. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure. In a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. The largest side is called the length and the smallest side is called the breadth. Let us denote the length by the letter L and denote the breadth by the letter B. Let us find the perimeter of a rectangle. So we have to add all the sides of the rectangle. That is, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That is, L plus B plus L plus B. That equals 2L plus 2B. Here 2 is a common factor, hence it can be written as 2 into L plus B. That is, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B units. Students, what do you see in this picture? Yes, it is square. In a square, all the sides are equal. Let us find the perimeter of a square. To find the perimeter of a square by adding all the sides of the square. That is, perimeter of a square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, which equals S plus S plus S plus S. It can be written as 4 into S. That is, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into S units. Let us do some examples. Example 1. Find the perimeter of a rectangular carpet 80 cm long and 40 cm wide. In this sum, length and breadth are given. Here we have to find the perimeter of a rectangular carpet. What is given? Length is equal to 80 cm and breadth is equal to 40 cm. Perimeter of a rectangular carpet is equal to 2 into L plus B units. Now substitute the values of length and breadth, where length is equal to 80 cm and breadth is equal to 40 cm. Let's write 2 into 80 plus 40 cm. Now add the number 80 and 40 in the bracket. 2 into 120 centimeter. Now multiply the number 120 by 2. Multiply 2 by 0, we get 0. Then multiply 2 by 2, we get 4. Then multiply 2 by 1, we get 2. That is 240 centimeter. Now we get the answer as the perimeter of the rectangular carpet is equal to 240 centimeter. Example 2. Find the perimeter of a square field of each side equal to 16 centimeter. In this sum, side is given. Here we have to find the perimeter of a square. What is given in this sum? Side is equal to 16 centimeter. That is, S is equal to 16 centimeter. Here we have to find the perimeter of a square field. Perimeter of a square field is equal to 4 into S units. Now substitute the value of S in this formula. That is 4 into 16 centimeter. Now multiply the number 16 by 4. Multiply 4 by 6. We get 4 6 are 24. Write 4. Carry 2 over to the next place. Then multiply 4 by 1. We get 4. Add 2. We get 6. That is 64 centimeter. Now we get the answer as the perimeter of the square field is equal to 64 centimeter. Example 3. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Let's find the perimeter for the given figure. So we have to add the length of all the sides. Perimeter is equal to add 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Let's add these numbers. Add 10 plus 20, we get 30. Then add 30 and 10, we get 40. Then add 40 and 20, we get 60 centimeter. Now we get the answer as perimeter is equal to 60 centimeter. Second sum, find the perimeter for the given figures. Let's find the perimeter for the given figures. So we have to add the length of all the sides. That is, let's find the perimeter. So add the numbers 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter, we get 10 centimeter. Then add 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter, we get 15 centimeter. Then add 15 centimeter and 5 centimeter, we get 20 centimeter. Then add 20 centimeter and 5 centimeter, we get 25 centimeter. Then add 25 centimeter and 5 centimeter, we get 30 centimeter. That is, perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we get the answer as perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter. Students, hope you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.